Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Rosetta here with another brand new video. And as you can see, this video is dedicated to the beautiful season of rain. Since we're not able to step out of our homes during this current situation, let's do something to feel the season while we're still at home. And let's give thanks for the rain in our lives, which waters the flowers of our souls. These dolls and umbrellas look so lovely and so cute. I enjoyed every bit of this project. Having said that, let's begin with the video. I have taken a piece of paper. You can also take card sheet, and I traced different patterns for the dresses of the dolls. I started painting them in different colors. I started making different designs on the dresses. I made few lines. I also made few dots, and to make dots I took the help of Q-tip, and I made different patterns for different dresses. These dresses look so cute and so beautiful. One by one I finished making the dresses. Now, next I took some skewers and started cutting it according to the placement and postures I wanted the doll's hands and legs to be at. I also traced circles for the head and hats and painted them. I painted the heads in black and the hats as per the color of the dresses. I also painted the skewers and started attaching everything to get the shape of the dolls. I started sticking with the help of glue gun. For each doll I decided different postures, and also before sticking I made sure that I have the proper posture so that I don't make any mistake while sticking. This is how I attached all the pieces. I have also attached a piece of paper at the back to give additional support. And similarly, I will finish attaching pieces for all the dolls as per the decided postures. It's really easy and quick project. Now for the umbrella, I will cut out circles and fold it twice. In this way, I will fold it twice, and then I will start sticking the circles one by one. I'm applying glue on the top of the folded circle, this much, and again for the second fold I'm applying glue only at the top, this much. Fold it and let it dry. We will get somewhat this kind of pattern. I will do the exact same thing for all the circles. I have taken 6 circles. Next, for giving the shape of umbrella, I will take a semicircle piece of paper, and please look carefully. I will stick the surface of the first piece entirely to the semicircle like this. And now we need to keep in mind that we are keeping the open ends at the bottom, these ends at the bottom. Start applying glue only at the top and stick the rest of the pieces. So one by one, I will stick the pieces by applying glue only at the top. You need to keep this in mind. Once we're done attaching all the pieces, we will apply glue at the edge this way. And also apply glue on the last surface entirely, just like what we did for the first piece. Now stick it properly to the semicircle piece of paper. Once it is dried, we will get such pattern. We need to adjust the sections a bit, and the top portion of the umbrella is ready. For the handle, we will take a rectangular piece of paper and with the help of skewer, we will roll it and stick the end. Remove the skewer. Next, I will stick it at the back of the umbrella. So why I have made the umbrella half? It's because I can get a flat surface on one side of the umbrella to stick it to the wall. To give additional support, I have attached a semicircle piece of paper on top of the handle, and you will get this type of pattern. For the handle, I will turn the end in order to give a proper shape, and the umbrella is ready. I have made 3 such umbrellas. I have attached these umbrellas and dolls to the wall in different styles using sticky tape, and this is how it looks. I just love the dolls and the umbrellas. I wish I could take these umbrellas and go out in the rain. Anyway, this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do so. Please share this video, comment what you thought about it, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Bye bye.